Guys, welcome back to Mermaid Magic. So today is a wonderful day. If you guys want to find out how to get this look, keep watching. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and hit the bell notification. So don't miss another videos of this series. And here's my costume. It's Minnow. It's pretty nice. Yeah. So let's get on with the video. Let's go. Okay, let's get started with this amazing makeup tutorial. Yeah, the headband fell. Happens a lot. So, here, let's go. So, first I want to show you all the brushes. So you're going to need an eyeshadow blending brush, a regular eyeshadow brush. You're going to need a big poofy brush. Mine is the mermaid one, very pretty. And you're also going to need a blush brush. Yeah. Anyway, you're also going to need blush palette. Mine is the e.l.f. 4 Shaded. It's very pretty. For mine, I use you can also use foundation and powder, but I use a brown blush and a dark blush, blush that matches my skin tone, because it just really works for me because I don't have foundation or powder. But you can use foundation, powder, and a blush that matches your skin tone. And I have my highlighter palette. Forgot what it's called. In the Wonder Seeker highlighter palette. You're just going to need a highlighter palette with a white shade. I got mine for $5 at Five Below. It's the Wonder Seeker highlighter palette. Style is from the Style Essentials. So, yep. And you're also going to need a eyeshadow with a purple color, a reddish purple color, and a black. I'm using just this 30 shaded one from Target. I got it for $15. So, yep. And yeah, you're also going to need, that's really it. But you're also going to need some tape. You're also going to need some moisturizer. So let's get started. So first, of course, we have to start with the moisturizer. So I just use, you're also going to need some clear lip gloss. Forgot about that. Now let's get started. And I'll tell you how to color that later, but you can also use just like a reddish purple glossy lip gloss if you don't want to color it. So now let's get started. I'm just using my moisturizer. It's just this face moisturizing lotion. It just goes on my face just to moisturize it. It's basically like my foundation, but not really. So basically I just put that all over my face. I really shouldn't have put that on with the headband. That's okay. Yeah. Now we're going to go in with the blush. Like I said, you can use foundation and highlighter, foundation and powder instead of using the blush. So you go in with your big brush, and I'm using the brown color all over my face like a foundation or a powder. And it basically just blends everything and makes my face nice. Just makes my face look good. So going in with that. And I also go in with a blush brush and go into the one that matches my skin tone, which is the darkest color in the palette. I don't really know the names in the palette. If you do, then comment down below. So just going in with that, just put it on your cheeks or the apples. You can also blend that out with the dark blush, or you can blend it out with maybe powder foundation. And then you go in with your highlighter palette. Like I said, the Wonder Seeker highlighter palette from Style Essentials. I got it at Five Below for $5. So I'm just going in with the color Opal. It's a nice white color. You and take your big brush, and you only want to scrape against it just to give your makeup look a nice glow. And you want to put that above where you put your blush, like nice, almost on your eyes. How do I look? They look good. Now you want to go in with your eyeshadow. Okay, for the eyeshadow, let me just fix my wig real quick, make it look nice. Waiting. Okay, take your 30 shade eyeshadow palette and you want to mix together. You want to take your regular eyeshadow brush and you just want to mix together the purple color and the reddish purple color. I'm using the color All Mine and Be Cool from this palette. And you just want to put that on your lid. So, put that on your lid. Make it look nice. Okay. So, it should look something like this. See? If you didn't mess it up like me, so I have to go fix it.
Messed up eyeshadow.
Okay, I just fixed it to be. Let me show you how I fix it. I basically just put a cotton ball and just put it on my wet it and just put it on under my eye. Yeah, it does mess up my blush a little, but the blush is barely seen on mine because again, it matches my skin tone. So it won't look super terrible.
Easy peasy.
So now that I've fixed my eyeshadow, you want to put your tape on your eyes to make a small wing, just like a tiny one. You can have whatever volume you want of your wing. So I just put the tape on my eyes, as you can see. Looks very nice. Then you want to take your blending brush and want to go in with black. I'm using the color Forever in this and my eyeshadow palette. It's really nice. That's All Mine and Be Cool. Okay, that's all. Those colors was All Mine and Be Cool, and that's Forever, which is the black color. Because really, black's gonna stay there forever. So you just want to put that right up on your crease to create a small wing color, and you want to round it out to your inner corner. And if you mess up on this and get too much on your lid where the purple is, you can go back in with your eyeshadow brush and add that mixture of All Mine and Be Cool back on there. Okay, after I put on the eyeshadow for the tape for the wing, I'd like to do everything else that you need to do and then take off the tape for the final reveal. So, of course, we gotta go in with our mascara. I don't really have mascara, so I'm just going to use an empty tube. And I have naturally long lashes anyway, so I just put that on my lashes to give them a nice curl without actually using a curling tool. So, that's pretty nice. So I'm just putting that on there, making it look good. Okay, down with that. Now we're going to go in with lips, I believe. So put on some lip balm, of course, to set in the lip gloss. And then you go in with your clear lip gloss and just slap that on there. Make it look nice. Put your lips together. Okay, now that I'm done with that, I'm going to share with you how we color this. Okay, you guys are probably going to think this is weird, but you want to take your eyeshadow brushes where you have all the eyeshadow from what you did with your lips and just put that on your lips, put them on both lips, mixing the red-ish purple and the purple with the black. And it actually looks really good. I tried this before and it always works. It makes my lips look great, and it just really matches up the eyeshadow with the lips, which I really like that kind of look. So now I'm just putting the black on my lips, make it look good, and this is how it looks. Tell me what you guys think. And now we take off the tape. The final reveal, it's kind of difficult. Take it off. Okay, there. So we have one off. Now let's take off the other. Boom, done. There goes the dynamite. It looks great. So that's basically the finished product for this. I think it looks really nice. Let me put on my hood. So comment down below what you guys think of this look. I think it's very pretty, and I've worked very hard on it for this Halloween look. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any videos.